Question number 4. Find the third proportional. First question is 36 and 18. You can solve this one question, it's very easy. I'm solving here third question. Rupees 1.60 and rupees 40. Let the third proportional be x. So this is now third proportional. So this is first value, second value, and this will be third value. Third value will be x. So first 1.60 is to 0.40, proportion 0.40 is to x. थर्ड प्रोपोर्शनल फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं, तो थर्ड प्रोपोर्शनल में वैल्यू जो होती है वो थर्ड प्लेस पे आती है. ठीक है. मीन प्रोपोर्शनल में जो वैल्यू होती है वो मिडिल पोजीशन पे आती है. क्लियर. सो फर्स्ट इनटू लास्ट मीन्स 1.60 इंटू एक्स इक्वल्स टू 0.40 इंटू 0.40. नाउ x we have to find. So x equals to like 0.40 into 0.40. So here we are multiplying 1.60 on transposing to the right hand side. We have to divide. So divide by 1.60. Now x equals to what? 0.40 into 0.40. 0.40, 0.40. Clear? So you can multiply directly here. 40, 40, 2 places of decimal, 2 places of decimal. Simply you will get 1600. Then 2 plus 2, 4 places of decimal. So 0.1600. 0.1600 divide by 1.60. Now the rule is what? To make your denominator decimal free. तो यहाँ पे डेसिमल फ्री करना है. तो डेसिमल के बाद 2 प्लेसेस हैं, तो मल्टीप्लाई होगा किससे? 100/100 से. ठीक है. तो x इक्वल्स टू क्या हो जाएगा? ये 2 जम्प्स करेगा. सो इट विल बी लाइक 16.00 अपॉन 160. दिस 16.00 कैन बी रिटन एज 16 ओनली. सो 4 4 जा 16, देन 4 40 जा, 4 1 जा, 4 10 जा. Finally x equals to 1/10. This is your required answer. Like this you have to find third proportional. Clear? Question number 5 is same as previous questions from exercise A, like 8, 9, 10. You can solve question number 5. Question number 6 and 7 both are same. I am solving question number 7. In question number 7 you are having 2y plus 5x divided by 3y minus 5x equals to 2 1/2. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 plus 1 5. Directly I am writing here 5/2. Clear? Now cross multiply we have to perform here. So 2 into in bracket 2y plus 5x equals to 5 into 3y minus 5x. What we have to find? First we have to find x is to y. Second we have to find x if y equals to 70. And third we have to find y if x equals to 33. So first inside bracket we are having 2y and 5x, and outside we are having only 2. So this 2 will multiply with 2y. So 2 into 2 4y. Then after that plus sign, so plus. Then 2 into 5x will be 10x. Then 5 into 3y 15y. Then after that we are having negative sign, so negative sign. 5 5 ja 25x. Now transpose this 25x to the left hand side to separate x and y. Then 4y plus 10x plus 25x equals to 15y. Now transpose this 4y to the right hand side. So 10x plus 25x will be 35x equals to 15y minus 4y. So this 35x can be written as 35 into x equals to 15 minus 4y 11y, and directly we can write 11 into y. Now we have to find x upon y. So simply transpose this y to right hand side. So 35 into x upon y equals to 11. x upon y we have to find 35 is extra है, यहाँ पे 35 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, वहाँ जाके क्या हो जाएगा, डिवाइड हो जाएगा. So x upon y equals to 11 by 35. So we got here x upon y 11 by 35. So x is to y is 11 is to 35. ठीक है. How we started this question? Simply first we are having this question given to us, and we performed here cross multiplication. After performing cross multiplication here, simply 2 into 2y 4y and 2 into 5x 10x, then this 5 into 3y 15y, and this 5 into 5x 25x. Now we have to separate x and y. So for that, first we are transposing 25x to the left hand side, then in second step we are transposing 4y to the right hand side. So 10x plus 25x will give you 35x, then 15y minus 4y will give you 11y. अभी x अपॉन y फाइंड आउट करना है, तो 35x को 35 इंटू एक्स लिख सकते हैं और 11y को 11 इंटू वाई लिख सकते हैं. तो x अपॉन y फाइंड आउट करना है, तो ये y जो है ये इधर चले जाएगा, यहाँ ये इंटू हो रहा है, वहाँ जाके क्या हो जाएगा, डिवाइड हो जाएगा. तो 35 इंटू एक्स अपॉन वाई, यहाँ पर सिर्फ 11 रहेगा. अब हमको सिर्फ x अपॉन y निकालना है, यहाँ पे 35 एक्स्ट्रा है, तो वो 35 वहाँ जाके क्या हो जाएगा, डिवाइड हो जाएगा. तो x अपॉन y आ गया 35. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सॉल्व. x अपॉन y इक्वल्स टू 11 by 35. Clear? Now the second question is, we have to find x if y equals to 70. So x will be x upon value of y will be 70 equals to 11 upon 35. X we have to find, so transpose this 70 to the right hand side. 70 is on denominator here, on dividing side here, so on that side it will be multiply. So 11 by 35 into 70. So 5 7 ja 35, 5 14 ja 70, 7 1 ja 7 2 ja. Now 11 into 2 22. So this is your required answer. Second question, x upon y equals to 11 by 35. Now we have to find y if x is 33. So x is 33, y we have to find, so y will be y 11 by 35. Now cross multiply. 33 into 35 equals to 11 into y. Only y we have to find, so transpose this 11 to the left hand side. So y equals to what? 33 into 35 upon 11. 11 1 ja, 11 3 ja, then 3 into 35, 105. So this is your required answer. Like this you have to solve question number 6. In exercise 12C, question number 1, 2, 3, 4 you can solve. Then from question number 5 I am solving. The ages of A and B are in ratio 6:5. So simply A is to B is given to you 6:5. If A's age is 18 years, A's age is 18 years, find age of B. Simply this is A, this is B. So the first value refers to A. So A's age in terms of ratio will be 6x equals to 18 years. Then 6x can be written as 6 into x equals to 18 years. Then x equals to what? 18 by 6. 6 1 ja, 6 3 ja. So you got x equals to how much? 3. X equals to 3. Clear? So now value of B is 5x. So 5x can be written as 5 into x. So B equals to what? 5 into 3. So B equals to 15 years. So age of A 18 years and age of B 15 years. Like this you have to solve question number 5. Then question number 6. In question number 6, you have to divide rupees among ABC, which is same as from question chapter number 11, ratio, exercise 11C. You can solve this one, no doubt. Then question number 7 and 8 both are same. I am solving question number 7. Do the ratios 15 centimeter to 2 meter and 10 second to 3 minutes form a proportion. The first one is what? 15 centimeter to 2 meter. So it will be like 15 centimeter is to 2 meter, proportion 10 second is to 3 minutes. Okay, so like this you can solve, but the easiest one is what? The easiest one is what? 15 centimeter upon 2 meter equals to 10 seconds upon 3 minutes. Now as you can see, units are different, centimeter and meter. So as you know, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So simply 2 meter equals to what? 200 centimeter equals to 10 second upon 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So we are having here 3 minutes, means 60 into 3, so 180 seconds. Now centimeter get cancelled, second cancelled. Then 5 3 ja, 5 4 ja, 5 0 ja. Then this 0 0 got cancelled, and we are having 3 by 40 equals to 1 by 18. They are not same. That means they are not forming proportion. Next question is same, only you have to divide. The unit is also same. Then question number 9. 10 kg sugar cost rupees 350 if x kg of sugar of same kind cost rupees 175. So first thing is what? Cost of 10 kg is rupees 350. Then cost of x kg is rupees 175. So first compare this two. So 10 is to x, proportion 350 is to 175. Now first into last, then second into third, means product of extreme equals to product of means. So x into 350 equals to 10 into 175. So x equals to what? 10 into 175. ये यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, जब वहाँ जाएगा तो डिवाइड हो जाएगा. सो अपॉन 350, 0 0 गेट कैंसल्ड, 5 7 जा 35, 5 3 जा 15, then 2 remaining, 5 will become 25, so 5 5 जा 25, 7 1 जा 7 5 जा. So x equals to what? 5. So 5 kg sugar can be what? From rupees 175. Then question number 10 is also same by the previous questions of exercise 12b. The last question 11 and 12, continued proportion is given to you, and as I told you, in continued proportion the middle value plays an important role, just like 4 x and 9. So the middle value is x, so it will be like 4 is to x, proportion x is to 9. Product of mean equals to product of extreme. So x into x will be equals to 4 into 9. X into x, x square equals to 36. X equals to under root 36. As you know, 36 is a square of 6. So x equals to what? Only 6. This is your required answer. Chapter 12 is over now. If you are having doubt, do message.